This yeah, the touch more the cocoa brain master husband to a single mother. Yeah, first of all, Ethiopia, Ethiopia. Idola Janvena as we had a talk show on this platform to do this program to talk on what on this topic. Yes, we had a talk show is back again on this topic, and I really want to talk on this issue of our men. But before I start, I will play this music on this topic where I want to talk. After the music, yes, I go move on the what on my topic. So may I first go. First play my music first. This one, Uyaro. Oh, stop this video. Good morning, Mr.
Dali
Yes, so this is lovely music. Yes, good afternoon to everybody. Yes, good morning to everybody. To all my viewers here, this came out through what my other name Weirdo Talk Show. But today I want to talk on what on this particular topic wey be say involve our men. Most of our men are married to different women in Europe, and most of the same men when I came out on this topic, and most of the same men born for different places. Now make I say today I'll come out on this word topic, because why I don see many things wey don dey happen wey be say many men don neglect their responsibility, don neglect their home. When man knows say he's not capable of doing something, you don't need to engage on it. We don see this Europe where we dey so many men they marry two wife, and they know they no go fit take off two wife. Or many men they impregnate women, give one belle for here, born for France, born for Germany, born for America, born for different way, for Portugal, for Italy. And these men so wey do good morning Barry White, good morning thank you Mercy Pius, good morning Barry White. And these men know say they are not capable of carrying the responsibility of these women. When a man knows say wetin he no go fit do, he go do am, e go come cause problem for what matrimonial home. Now why I come out from this topic, I don see some men wey don turn to woman rapper because of what having two wife. When a man know say many things involved, when they say marriage does not mean you just say you go enter post. There are advantage and disadvantage of being married what to two wives. Now many men wey I don see for Europe, both men, Germany, some don, even the woman wey dey pay money for their head, dem marry woman, man wey marry woman wey pay money for her head, he go dump, go leave the woman run follow another girlfriend, he will still give am belle because that one still born for am, because money never dey the one wey dey put money for her, you go stay with that one. You from there the truth you can't cause confusion. You marry woman and you know say for you to be with these two women is going to be a problem for you. Why did you decide to have two wives? There are advantage and disadvantage. Many men use their hand dig their grave. Many men use their hand cause problem, havoc into their home. Now if you take a look at Europe now, you'll see most men don say life not better for them. Not be person concern wey life not better for them. Now wetin they use their hand cause na concern. When you know say if you get two wife na problem to you, you better stay with one wife. When you know say if you get two wife you fit carry the responsibility, then you do am. Most men for Europe don give many women belle make dem become what? Single mother. How dis men take do am? Promise I will marry you. You give Jessica belle e born, you give Sarah belle e born, you give Annabelle belle e born, you give Tracy belle e born, and all these things you now send them to different country. And wetin e come dey pay me pass na you come make these women come dey insult theirself, endanger the life of those kids. And men forget one thing, if you no be man, you go engage go dey take two wife, you fit make the other woman use juju dey destroy the other woman pikin. And these men use their hand cause problem, amenity into their what? Matrimonial home. Why I can't come and come talk these things so? I dey deal on single mother must marry, single mother must marry, single mother must marry. But today I can't see many things. Look at the advantage and disadvantage. Where are the men wey seek make some of these decent women become a single mother? Where are the men wey make the decent women become a single mother? Because we get some decent and very decent and responsible women who never wish to remain single. but they were being caused by some wayward men. So some men come cause am, because those men na be what? Irresponsible men that are not capable of taking care of two wives or carrying the responsibility of having different wives. A man, before you can take or engage or having two wives, you must be what? Capable. You must have all the qualification, all the quality of a man that will be able to carry the responsibility of all the kids. Not by impregnating women or getting married to them, but are you able to carry out the responsibility to take care of the kids and the woman, and will you not neglect the kids? Many men don't cause problem for the society where lot for our women are in pain today. We see many single mother today, the responsible single mother, not those ones that are being vandalized by Kokobiri. No. We get the responsible and the decent single mother we never wish to do like this, but they will be caused by the men. So today I come pass this advice to these men wey be say their own na to perch, to deceive the women. I will marry you. You marry am. Not only you take am as a wife, you give am belle, you put am, you carry the other one, you put am here. And now you put the women into pain. You neglect and say make government carry the responsibility of those kids. There's what they call father caring. There's what they call the feelings of a father. And these children, before they see their father sometime 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, and the men go say carry another one, say give am belle, and you now neglect all these words, children put them in pains. But today I can't let you know before you marry some wife, you must be capable. You must be capable as our father be. When our father take two wives, they carry the responsibility. Say yes, na my wife, na my pikin. He go carry it. Not be for you to impregnate woman, carry two wives. You say na 4 wives born for you. Out of the 4 wives wey born, you dey take care of the children. You dey carry the responsibility of those kids. Do you know about their welfare? Do you know anything about the kids? Now to carry their picture from their mama Facebook, they put for your wall, that is my son, that is my boy, that is my doctor. No. You are an irresponsible man. A man wey do all these things, wey take woman, okay, and wetin come dey pay me pass now? Some men dey, we go just take the skin, dey be responsible men wey we see fine boy wey dey town, some of these men wey that become irresponsible. Woman wey dey even marry kpakpa, dem go neglect am, follow another woman wey still born for dem, and dis men more than 4 5 women born for dem, go stay with am, and dem come use the thing if e dey. See, na this one how they call the useless irresponsible men. Why? A man, if you dey where mama Jessica dey, you go carry phone by call mama Sophia, and mama Jessica go to insult mama Sophia for your phone. A man wey never capable go carry woman. When you dey where this one, you give am the number of the other woman, make it dey insult am. Is that fair? Now that one mostly make me come out for this topic, because many issues wey I see with my eyes, so I dey also watch many men. How can a man marry to 2 wives? If I dey where the other one dey, I'll let him insult the other one. Why you go give phone? Now make me come out for this topic. Say a man that is not capable of marrying 2 wives. Not that it's not good to marry 2 wives, it's good to, but when you are capable, you can carry out the responsibility. You can carry out the function as a father, as what our father did. Before you marry, you say, yes, I will carry out the responsibility. Now make we hear the talk when I talk say it's good for a man to marry two wives. But it's good for a man to marry two wives, but you must be what? Capable of taking care of the two wives and the kids. Not by neglecting them for their mother. The moment you neglect those kids for their mother, you are not capable. You are irresponsible by making these women to become a what? In future to become a what? A single mother. And some of these women are the decent women who never intend to be a single mother. Because of the man, you now join Mama Jessica. They use Mama Jessica, they insult Mama Sophia. Or use Mama Osaume, they cause Mama no women say, my dear, those men you know say e dey your body una wey be my friend una know wetin I dey talk. Some of these men dey be my friend. Yes, they be my friends. I know una know me wetin I dey talk. Because you are not a man. You are not a man. I no fit dey where my wife dey or no other my wife dey and carry phone call them and let the other one dey insult the other one. I dey because I dey with this one, he go dey insult the other one. For why? You are not capable as a man to get the two wives. A man wey capable when you dey where this one dey no go throw what to the other one. A man must what? Get what you call, he go get in his mind, he go go what? A commandment given to those women. When you don't have a legacy, you don't have a commandment, constitution given to those women, you will not make the other women go to insult the other one because you dey where that one dey, or that one you dey fear that one, or na that one dey give you money pass now. And if you see this our men, if they dey Germany with Mama Sophia, they will do pepper with Mama Sophia. They will not make Mama Sophia Mama Sophia to dey insult Mama Tina. No, which is very 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 wrong. Now make me come out today say no. Today I will make people to understand that particular thing wey this man dey do, e dey pay me for body. Now it make me come out. How can a man, you a grown up man, you will deal with the other woman? Good morning, Edego Sazuwa. You deal with this woman. You can't use that to insult the other women. And these women are sharing tears. Many complaints have been in my ear. I've been hearing things about what some of these are irresponsible men are doing in Europe. When you deal with this one, you go use the other one to insult because say why a man not supposed to allow the other wife collect what for her insult the other wife. All these men are men that are not capable of having two wives, thereby causing problem in their entire life, in their matrimonial home. They are causing the downfall of themselves, thereby digging their early grave. When a man is married to a two wife, you must be what? A man with principle. A man that will know that yes, I will not be biased. I will not join Mama Jessica. I will not join Mama Sophia. You use equal hand for both of them. You cannot because you love Mama Sophia more than Mama Tina, you will not use that word when you deal with Mama Sophia, you go the phone severity. Una wey dey Europe. Why I can't talk this thing to now? Because most of them be my friend where they do this thing so. Yes. Now me talk and we have to talk show. Una go vex for me today. Because that thing I not like her. You know fit dey where Mama Tina dey, you dey because you dey where Mama Tina dey, you go call Mama Sophia, you put her for speaker. Which kind man you be? You not be man. A man go dey where this woman dey, he go call your guy, go put her for speaker, and later now wetin that one wan talk private with her, the one wey dey with go hear, that one begin insult that one. Many men don do am. Many men are doing it, and this has become a problem. Why the other woman will be shedding tears? All these men wey dey do this thing, you are not a responsible man. You are not a responsible man, thereby you are digging your early grave. A man wey know say wetin dey do no good and you insist and you keep on doing it, it is very very wrong. Una wey dey screen wey dey do am, una know una sef. Because una know una sef. Una no fit your carry who your own woman go call you, another woman go dey there. Another woman go dey there. Another woman go dey there. You go call the other one. You go put am for speaker. Make the other one dey hear. Make dem dey insult each other. Which kind man you be? What una just dey do? Which kind story? Which kind man you be? Why you dey do those one? Wetin you dey gain from doing that, making the other woman to be in pains? Why you dey do am? You make the other woman to remain in pains. And when the other woman take your name go do ojuju now, you go say, hey, you don die. And after you die now, you go dey say, oh, you just say woman don kill you. Now you kill yourself. You kill yourself. When you know you are not capable of taking two wives, you better stick with one. When you know you are not capable of taking two wives, stick with one. It is when you know you are capable, you have all the quality as a man, a father quality. There's difference between what a baby father and a man who have a father quality. There's between father and baby father, papa. It is different. A man wey know as our father dey do am. If he marry two wives, he go use the same hand to follow them. But our boys for Europe now, because of one money, you dey where this one dey. Because you dey where that one dey, you want give you one money, you use and they insult the other woman. And most of them go even use the girlfriend, they insult the wife who na put money for her head. Even though you did the one who you not put money for one head, you never put money for one head. As far as you don't train the two of them, no need of you causing commotion between both of them. When you deal with this one not get right to interfere with the other one when you are communicating with the other one. And when you are with the other one, that one not see get right to interfere with anything when they talk. Because you know, say you married to two of them. The two of them have right to call, even though you did the other one ask. She get right to call you, and the other one get right to call you. If you don't, Mama Sophia, Mama Tina get right to call you. If you don't, Mama Sophia, Mama Jessica get right to call you. Because you put two of them for us. He get problem with the brother and go call you. You not supposed to put the spirit phone for speaker. Make Mama Tina when you deal with the ear. And Mama Tina go the hear what they talk. You're there by playing calls upon the other one. Go talk for the phone. Many may have become a woman rapper. Because they not be control their own. After you come out there, you go begin go they beg Mama Tina. I beg now. And at the same time, you see do the other one. Which kind of life are you people living? Which kind of life una dey live? Una dey dig una grave with una hand. We dey talk about single mother must marry, single mother must marry. Now I want to show me small now. Because some of these men have been the factor, the basic factor where some of the women become a single, the decent women become a single mother. Because the responsible women never intend to become a single mother. But now the sum of the attitude of our men, the men that are irresponsible, the men that are not capable of having two wives, are not capable of impregnating more than 3 wives after they have engaged themselves in such thing, and thereby causing enmity between these women, making them to be throwing invisible stone to the kids. And these men never knew they are the cause of this problem. A man must stand as a man. A man must have the quality of a leader. A man, a father is like what? A leadership is like a pastor. It's like what a president that have is what? A sheep. Now you don't have the quality of a man. You thereby engage in having more than one wife. Thereby causing havoc, digging your early grave. When they say digging, these are the quality, the characteristic how a man dig their early grave. Because when they are unable to carry the responsibility of those kids and those women, they are eventually digging their early grave. It is when a man is capable, you have all the quality, the finance to cater for these kids, automatically you will live long. But when you are unable, you become a woman about try by making match. When you are with this one, you use this one to kill this one, use this one to kill this one. Eh? Thank you, Barry White. So my people, today I can't talk this thing. Make our men know this thing. A man must know this thing. No be to chook, no be to perch, no be to perch. You must get all the quality to become what? A father. When peace at the end, the two women are to become going to insult each other. You are the cause. You are the cause. You are the cause. A man wey know say if you take to wife, you take. To you know say if you carry the responsibility. Yes, thank you, Mercy Pius. Yes, many irresponsible men dey do that one. Yes, if they dey with side chick, yes, don't use mouth finish their wife. No, a man must not use his mouth to finish his wife. If you dey with side chick, not because of side chick destroy the other woman. It is very very wrong. When man know say he no fit carry out the quality, the responsibility, he no get all the capacity of what to carry take care of these kids and the wives, why then you engage in marrying two wives? And when you marry this two wives, you go come join one dey insult one. No, if you dey where Mama Jessica dey, no go spoil Mama Tina when you dey with Mama Jessica. No use mouth because say you dey with her na you do you use your mouth you say na you I love pass, I no love her na. You know say na you good pass na, I no love her na. And as you all dey talk, Mama Jessica will all call you gbem. See wetin this man dey call this way, Mama Jessica will call am gbem. As he call her now, he go pick am and the wife that one Mama Tina dey with her there. You know the swear man, you will pick this way, you go put am on speaker. You put am there say good afternoon though, how you dey now? Everything. I wan be get wetin you wan tell you say wetin before you say abeg I bin wan tell you say I dey bless her. I no fit talk o. You go buy out juice and now abeg you think dey disturb me, you don make me tired. Don tell her wetin dey work because you dey with Mama Jessica. And Mama Tina now go know say na because Mama Jessica. You tell her come just say na because you dey with Mama Jessica, you no fit respond to my call. And he put am on speaker. Mama Jessica go dey hear. Then Mama Jessica show what ogun dey kill you asha when you dey call my name for that side. Two of them begin insult each other. And who cause am na the wayward man, the condemned man, the irresponsible man. Because Mama Tina call you, put am on speaker, make Mama Jessica dey hear wetin una dey talk. From there na that one talk. These are wetin you suppose put for phone because you don dey condemn am say you no like am. And that one come dey cause quarrel, come cause problem. And you sit down, you but they done this one because you want to collect something money for your make you sit back and from there. Those are irresponsible man. A man will not get all this quality as our father get. Where busy of three of him marry more than 2 wives, 3 wives. Those men are not capable of having more than 1 wife. If you know marry more than 1, stick with 1 wife to live a long life. There are disadvantage and advantage of marrying of 2 wives. Many people don't know. I know in my earlier I preached about marrying of 2 wives. Yes, I preach it. My statement, I don't change it. I preach it. But it is only when you are capable, when you are able to carry out the responsibility as a man, then you can marry this 2 wives. But when you are not capable, you are a man with if you do a Martin and you condemn them, if you do a man, you condemn them, you are not a man. You dig your early grave. Many men, now make you see many men life now, they are miserable in Europe. They don't feel achieve anything. They be like a bubble car. So when a man knows that he's not capable, do not engage yourself in such act. And those of una wey don give many women belle 4 5 wey don born for una for different country, and una no dey carry out the responsibility, una join people wey I dey talk to, una wey carry brocos, una na just to pekun una run collect money, and una forget say tomorrow those children go neglect una because una no care for those children. Una no care for those children. Una neglect those children. Okay, una you see many boys now, they just dey where they house where their children. I get children pikin for France, I get pikin for Germany. You get for France, you get for Germany, you get for those children, don't care for them. Kokobiri go see juice bro help you vandalize your wife, go see give her money, you come you come dey get man tomorrow, you see go jump on top, you see go meet the other woman. You are irresponsible man. You are irresponsible man. Now make I come out with this my weirdo talk show. Take talk this thing. The other weirdo talk show where I change the name to a fake brand. Now that one if I come up with that one, I clad go see and go no, I come up with this one. But I share down for that one. My people, make all men know their right from their left. Make our men, excuse me. Make our men know their right from their left. Many men don't know their right from their left. Many of they don't know their right from their left. Good afternoon, Maria Owadiale. Many men don't know their right from their left, which is very wrong. Today, now I can't talk this thing, can't give this advice to everybody, all my brothers, my friends, wey know say dem marry 2 wives, they can't use the other one. If wetin even dey claim me pass, men wey get 2 3 women wey born for them, if dem dey where the other, they no fit pick call talk to the other woman. Why? Now you know say you no know whether I wan call you say the other pikin dey sick because you dey where Mama Sophia dey, and Mama I think go dey call you. The man, your Mama Sophia dey there, put the phone aside, you no go fit pick. You no go pick. Whether your pikin dey see something, they need your attention at that point in time, the man no go pick. He no go pick. Or go until he comot for us. Comot for us. Go pick. You no go know, maybe at the time something don happen. Those men, they no got the word, the quality of having 2 wives. Many men, many of them, they do this thing. The chief wife will call you. When they call you because of your pikin, you no go pick up. 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 Because say you deal with the other woman. Later you're going to use one story to tell and I saw this one, I saw you're there busy. Which busy? Where you dey? Which busy? You dey fear Mama Sophia? You dey fear Mama Anabe? Yeah, you don't pick when the other woman they call you. When you know say you get the quality, you are capable, you are supposed to pick the call and talk. You make so that as for Papa to make the 2 men know say yes, I am a man. No by engaging that the other woman go dey call the time maybe she wan hear your voice. She wan hear your voice at that point in time. You don't fit to hear your voice. Maybe she's just like they think about you. May I call my husband? May I also hear the voice? Maybe your words of encouragement. At that point, you no go pick. The woman come dey sad. You come put am for pains because you dey where my mama I think dey. You go play the phone for silent, and maybe the phone will come. Mama I think see, and you say good afternoon, you both are Jesus. You come say I say your no mind am, no mind that woman. I know say I tell you say I no want her. She go just dey bear every time they come here. I no wan pick her call. You just use my condemn that woman. You just use hand just condemn her. Use your mouth condemn that woman. And maybe that woman na be the right source where you take essay. You know, all women get their destiny, get the way they take the support man, with their advice, with their spiritual prayer or whatever. But the time you dey put that woman for pains, I want let men know one thing. You know, say women where you put for us, where you marry, you say you marry all of this thing that you want to do for you. You know, say if you get some certain problem, anything where you dey put hands will not dey work. Get on. She get evil mind towards you. Anything you put on, you not go to work. Things go to work for you, but you not go know the cause. You say na own problem, na that woman, because the spirit dey vex. The spirit dey angry with you. The spirit of that woman is angry with you. Now it make things dey wait for you. You know things don't go better. You no go know why. Now you use your own concern. You say that they don't disturb you. Now the woman because she get pains in her. And she dey share the tears, they cry, God dey hear prayer. If now you now so you can't put on, make she dey pain, you go dey pray that prayer, and so you put on, and the end, the thing go dey move, it go dey affect you. You can't be to man where all women go dey test it, the April go because why you put one for pain. And many men are facing this pain, but they don't know until you discover before you recover. And after discovering, you recover, and recover become the survivor. And many may have not discovered the problem, what they are passing through. They don't know they use their hand to dig their only grave. They don't know they use their hand to cause the pain, what they are passing through today. I am telling you all men that there's some power given to a woman. When you are married to that one, have it in mind, or you give birth to, you have a charge for you, and you neglect that woman, you don't carry out their responsibility. When they cry, they shed tears, they speak, they talk to, even though the air, they breeze, they say, the grass go hear her. You go hear her, you go take her word. You go take her word. You go take her word. You go use her affect you. You understand? Are you hearing me? That is why I'm telling you people. Some of my people, I'm telling you all the truth. You people should get this lesson. Many men don't know what will be their problem. But today, I dey let una dey know. I make a lesson everybody to know. Many men don't know wetin dey happen to them. Some men dey accept before, but because of the grievances of that woman, the pains the woman never pass through, the woman look that pikin go cry, go talk, they still come dey affect the man, and the man no go know. The man no go know. He go feel say na own problem, or go dey use her dey push for another girl wey just friend, but na the woman wey born for you. Na the prayer wey she dey pray for back, wey she dey shed tears, say no be so you promise her. And at the moment the woman is praying, looking at that child, you neglect her, you make her to become a single mother. And the time that woman is praying that prayer, you know they see you when she need you. My dear brother, get it whether you like it or not. There was the power in the tongue. At the time that woman is praying, if they pray that prayer, things go to work for you. Things not go to better for you. Things not go better for you. You dey face difficulties. Things go to rough for you. If you dey accept before you go to go down. Because why? He look the pikin go pray. You now you pray. Now you see some women don't deal with their pikin, don't they deal with pikin, they curse the father, they pray curse. If now so your papa tell me, you go they curse night and day, and this thing go they affect the woman, the man go they affect the man, but the man no go know. The man go your thing say na normal thing. No, now wait till you use your hand curse. And make dey tell me, una no something dey wey una use una hand cause wey dey worry una to do. All men should have these things in their mind, that na wetin you use your hand cause na dey worry you. No be own family problem, no be own problem, no be papa concern, no be mama concern, no be your friends concern. Na the woman wey you get, wey you born marry, wey you born for, wey you neglect the children, na the woman na dey concern. Unless you amend your way, you will never excel in life. Today I dey tell me, when you are not capable of having 2 wives, when you are not capable of taking 3 wives, you better deviate and stop it. Go and reconcile and apologize to those women, because they have placed spiritual curses on many men. These men does not know that they are in what or curses upon them. They are on bondage, spiritual bond, but they will be working physically, but nothing comes good for them. That is why today I tell men, because I dey deal on many issues that single mother must marry single mother, but who are some men have become the problem, who are the cause of this world. Some of our decent and responsible single mother, not the single mother that have been vandalized by Kokobiri. No. There are business women who only want to live a happy life, a joyful life, but they were being caused by these irresponsible men that are not capable of having 2 wives, men that are not capable of having issues, not by having issues. There is difference between a man and a father. Many men can become a man, but they cannot be they don't have the quality of a father. You have Brokos. Does that make you a father? You have a big. Does that make you a father? You have all these things, but you impregnate that woman, you neglect the woman, you neglect all of them. Now you call yourself a man. You went to the other one and decide to scandalize the other woman, to condemn, to humiliate the other one, because you are with Mama Sophia, because you want to benefit, to extract from her at that point in time. And the moment you leave there, you go to Mama Osau, you begin to scandalize her again, the second one, because you are there now. Oh, what kind of man are you? You are digging your early grave. You are digging your early grave, but you don't know. Many men are in pains. They are in bondage, but they don't know. They are working, but they should look at themselves, that the life they are living is not a good life. It's not a life being called by God. You are living a life that is not that will not be fruitful for you. A life that will not yield fruit for you. A life that will not make you to become a man. A life that will bring you to your early grave. Let me tell you, there are what we call spiritual power from these women. When the woman lay a cause that the woman you neglect the kids, she's in pain, she's crying day in and day out, looking at you. You are putting your piece on Facebook. The woman will say, hey, is that what you promised me? Is that what you promised me? In the night she will place a cause, in the morning she place a cause, in the afternoon she place a cause. She will look at the sun and play cause. Things will be waving for you. You will be like what? You will be like the wave of the sea, moving to and fro. You can't move. Yeah, you don't know. You feel say you move la la. You not go excel. All these men wey don't do this thing, I made your way. You cannot get married to a 2 woman when you know you are not capable. You need to change your way. You need to change your way and amend your way to live a good life, to excel. Many men are frustrated. A lot of our women who become a single mother, a woman never intend of becoming a single mother. Most men have made those women to be shedding tears whenever I'm preaching the word single mother must marry. Kokobri Foundation those the decent women will be sharing tears. They don't wish to become a single mother. You will see those decent women will still call me, explain their pains, their grievances. I will say, yes, I know these are the good ones. But the men who have been the cause of this problem will be jubilating, will be celebrating whenever I'm on this program, because they know they will be showing that particular one to that woman. But they are the cause. You cause it. You are the cause. You make that woman to be there. You have to amend your way. You have to carry your responsibility. If you did not carry your responsibility as a father, automatically the cause the woman is playing will be made permanent in your life. Unless you change and make an amendment and go and take care of those kids and carry the responsibility and take care of the women so that you will live a good life. That is what our father did. Our father never pushed any woman away. They trained them. They never joined anyone, take side with any woman. No, they stand as a father. That is why they were able to excel with their 2-3 wives. Our young men of nowadays, they are all is to jugu and give her belly, jugu give her belly. At the end, things go take up for you. Send a person cause you are the cause of your problem. You need to discover. The moment you discover, you recover. And when you recover, you become the survivor of this thing I'm talking about. Many men, they don't know their problem. But today, I'm here to bring into abreast to every man to amend their way to live a good life. Two women get belly for you. Now, this one, you don't give her money. This one, you don't give her money, but the two of them go hold you like the one where I put for war. Now the two of you impregnate the two women, and many men they impregnate 3 women the same time for Europe. Many days where I don't see. You go you impregnate 3 women the same time. The same time. Impregnate these 3 women. After impregnating the 3 women, you make them single mother. You don't put anyone for her. You know that you not put anyone for us. You neglect them. You make them to become a single mother. And some are based on say some them not fit keep themselves. They come begin to give kokobiri. And now you make her. And as I preach this thing, you dey cry. Hey, now mouth you make me they give kokobiri. Since we hear don't talk, should not they talk this thing and they feel the pain. Matthew, no go better for life. Matthew, now you make a believe and ask me. Oh, Matthew, what do you do? The other one go begin cause. Oh, now I will cause this shame where you go bring master and talk so. If not be I waiting go maybe you pull left for go because he don't call and see her. He go begin place curse upon you. And the curse go dey germinate for your body. He go dey eat fruit. And the eat fruit, you go dey depreciate. You no go know. Say now all this thing. Because many women there wey made mistake when they tell you pull left for kokobiri because now you cause now. They are in pain, shedding tears. They want to amend their way. But you will be the man wey concern. You think say you get good, you think say you go to enjoy your life? No. Until you change your ways. You know you don't be married to wife. What is the essence of you impregnating them? What is the essence of taking them? Say now my wife. You join one, you kick against one. Today, I can't deliver this message to all of una. Make una amend una way. Make una amend una way. Make una amend una way. Oh. Make una amend una way. Well, may I give this music as a break music of this boy to those decent women wey dey this place. Make dem enjoy this music. Stay here because why? I dey shed tears for a lot of decent women, not the one irresponsible one, the decent one. Mona hear this music. This is your for the Jewish women.
No
Yeah, you see.
Soldier Boy on this one.
This is Soldier Boy. Soldier Boy, and I sing this music. This music I dedicate to all those women where those men come begin the matric, and another one where come dey vex me for. So all these men, some of these men become a lunatic. How can you imagine a man wey most men more than watch many men wey dey irresponsible? How can a man marry your own pikin? You neglect her, you make the woman become a single mother, and this same man go meet another woman wey get children. He go sit down with her because he wan extract from that one, and he go dey put that woman wey he dey with the children for Facebook say my lovely kids. But the one wey you born, you no put them for picture, you no put them for your Facebook. So put their children for Jenny wey the woman born for them, but dem dey with another woman, they put the woman children. What man, a kind of man are you? Are you a man? You are not a man. You are not a man. You are a boy. You are infant. You are not qualified to be a man. You don't have the quality of a man. You are a boy. A man wey be say your own children, you don't put them for your own Facebook. Another woman wey you deal with, when another man leave his children, you come put her for your Facebook. You dey do favorite because they follow the woman. You dey lick the woman here, they follow and they go. But the woman wey born for you neglect her because that one get money. This one, this man wey I dey talk to, una know una sef. Una know una sef. Because many men don do this thing. Pikin wey you born, you neglect her. You neglect her. You neglect her. Only you go dey carry another woman pikin put for Facebook, and that children get father, their father go dey laugh to see mumu, and the father even know say you get woman wey born for you. You no put your children, you dey carry another person children dey stay dey pray my kids, my lovely kids. Wey the one wey you born, you neglect them. If you as you put those one, no be bad thing, put the one wey you see for journal. You are a twat. You are a twat. You are a twat. Those men are twat. Those are the irresponsible men, the men I'm talking about. So those men, they are irresponsible men. They are not capable of being a father. They don't have the quality of a father. Those men are still what? A baby boy. They are what? A baby boy. Many men, their children, they journey, but they deal with another woman. They put the woman children for their face, say my kids, my kids. my kids, but you neglect the one wey you born. You neglect the woman even call you for where that woman dey. Shame no let you pick her. You go by dey curse that woman. You dey with that woman. You no dey shame. Àwa lára wa o. Ọmọ nu wẹ̀yí kí wẹ́ bí ọmọ náà yá ẹ wẹ̀. Ọmọ yẹn mú ké gbu wẹ̀wẹ̀. Wọ́n bí ẹ bí ó yà ìhò bí ó sọnà. A man must be a man. A man must cry. You cannot neglect your children because of money. You are being with another woman. You are putting the kids on Facebook. You neglect your own. You are proud of another man's kids. But what about your kids? These are the men I'm talking about. These are the men who say they want to have more than one wife, but they don't have the quality. They can't take care of those kids. You see them? You see them? You snort these people all time. We know women will not get character. We see the doing on that one a separate way. Women will not get character. We see know those ones. We tell them, but today I want marry those men. Those men hold on too much. Then they celebrate, just they jubilate for the nonsense wey they do for Europe. Now they do nonsense. God king, they do nonsense. Those men, a man wey born, he hope he clean, he go live am. He go dey put another man pikin picture for Facebook. He go dey pray. He go say, "These are my lovely kids." Die, na you be papa. If papa dey look you like mumu, ewobi, owu ome. Those men are meh, owu ome. You leave your pikin. You forget clean na your pikin. Go dey see those clean. You go dey see those things. Your pikin go dey see those. You say, "Look at my dad. My dad neglected us." And these are the man who say you will reap you will reap from your children will come and take of you. Your children no will take of you. You are not proud of your kids. You are proud of another man's kids. Because of the woman or the woman you are benefiting from that woman, you neglected your own woman that have issue for you, and you went and sit with another woman and enjoying what another man's children's sweat. Foolish men. Foolish men. All those foolish men, you neglect your own. Nonsense. Even when they tell them, you don't put your children home. Jonah, you will be proud. Yes, these are my lovely kids. On Facebook, where your own? Your own are 8 kids. Your own are 8 kids, not be lovely kids. One way you use your penis bone, can't be 8 kids. Those one can't be wayward kids. All these men, and like them, if you see them, you know how many wives don't born for them. They neglect all these kids. But then they carry, they go dey find another single mother. When they want begin chop money, sit down with them, try to carry their children, my lovely kids. What of your own way your kids? You neglect them. You think say the mama go dey sit down on Facebook, they happy with you. The mama go dey place curse upon you. You go dey use thunder to fire you. You go dey day and night go dey pray bad curse for you. Anything you go where you dey point go dey go down. And at the end the woman will drive you, put you for alakaye. Say by via foreign. Fuera. Bote fuera. Vai. Bote say fuera. Foreign by via. At the end you come dey talk. This woman don drive me. This one you when you know say you get your okay, you go dey do mumu. Nonsense man. And those men are then they lick yansh. Those men wey no dey take up their kids, they dey lick yansh like that parts of America. Na be those men. Yes, we have to touch whom or talk the truth. A man must be responsible, must live a good life. A man must know how to carry out his responsibility as a man. You call yourself a head. We say a man is the head, but you are not acting as the head. You are not acting as a cow. You are acting what? As a what? A cow. I look, which kind of life una dey live? This kind of wayward men. So all those men, you people need deliverance. A man will neglect his children, go sit down with other woman, they praise those children, you carry other woman children, they put them on Facebook. Any man wanna see like that, wanna write for the Facebook, mumu, wanna write licky yans. Any man wanna see, wanna write licky yans, mumu. Many men they do, I don't wanna vex for me, son of my friend. But I don't give a fuck about you people. When you are not doing the right thing, I will disqualify you as a man. Whether you are my friend until you live a good life. Most of them, I'm even talking about, some are my friend. Yes. Even though you say now because of you are talking, yes, now because of you, live a good life. Afankolo. Live a true life. You neglect your kids. You are making another woman, another man kids, put on the Facebook, making proud of those kids. Put your own kids, Jonah. Then I will say you are a man. You neglect that woman. You they talk, you they count that man children. You they say, look at my lovely kids. Don't talk that woman. What about your children? You don't put them in Jonah. Make your business put all of the same there. All your lovely kids. I will be. So these are the things. So I need to let them know we must say the truth and let the truth set us free. We must leave a good legacy down that people will say emulate from that legacy. Our men need to change from their attitude, from their dubious behavior. Being married when you know you are not capable of having more than one woman and you be dating more than one woman, dating more than one wife, having two wives, causing commotion among them, bringing you are killing your host, digging your early grave. Now our women they jubilate now. They carry that pastor where they lick pickles, the bishop full everywhere. You're the pastor. How can a pastor that so many men they do am? He not even lick the pickles. He finish up with the yam. He use the he dey draw like bone wey dey lick bone. The man he draw the bone. He suck all the menstrual pain. He suck everything. And most of these men are wetin they do. Now so many of these men they do what that Pastor Wilson was doing. Same thing those men are doing. Our men will neglect their children. Any man who sees they put on that man children for Facebook and he neglect you, no say that man they lick the woman wey dey with me, they lick yansh, they lick pickles. Na me tell una, mona take my word and na truth. Any man wey dey do that thing, he neglect the children, no put the children. You by the talk say that no matter my wife. You with the woman they call you with your children they quarrel. I go be man. You with your children they quarrel. If mama do something, I pikin do something, and the woman not even do something, and the man do something. You run follow that woman because of money. Now you put in picture, you not put your children. Now those men are there, they lick the yard, they lick pickles like that pastor. They go drum, the woman go drum. See them. You see them? You see them? All these men, we need to make sure bring them, disgrace those men. You lick pickles. You lick and go lick pickles. You go use to go clear all the nyash finish. Go clear the nyash finish. After don't lick everything, you don't finish the nyash finish. You call the come up for public. You see the prayer, you see like this. You see some wetin dey pay me, some come put bill. If they go occasion do like this, and they be pickles sneaker. You see them, don dey use their name dey sing. When you neglect your children, you no be man. A man must carry out his responsibility. A man must stand as a man. You cannot abandon your children and be bragging with other man's children because you are sleeping with the wife. You are a what? Irresponsible man. You are not a man. Rather what? A fool. A fool. And a curse is upon you. And you are being cursed as a man. You are being cursed as a man. Yes, you have been cursed as a man. You need to amend that way. You need to amend your way and change from the stupid life you are living. You know you are not capable of having two women, two girlfriends. You stick with two girlfriends and they causing problem. Many men are the problem, making a lot of women being single today. Married to wife. At the end, you cause when you still leave those two women, you still follow the third one. You make the single mother, and then you will sit down, you will smile. If you don't say single mother must marry, you will smile. Yes, single mother must marry. Yeah, we know single mother must marry. If you are one of the cause of those single mother, cause will be upon you. You better amend your way. If you know you are the cause, your cause and you are made, you better amend your way, or cause will be upon you. Because when the woman they blast the tongue, hey, Papa's woman must be mad. Papa's woman may not excel. Papa's woman will go better. Papa's woman put me for this condition. Papa's woman make a company come vandalize me. And we don't touch it, they criticize this thing. I not dream of being to be vandalized by a company. And Papa's woman, I make out this thing. I was in pains. I was tempted. I called it private. Papa's woman we never know peace. Papa's woman we labor in vain. Papa Sophia we labor in vain. Papa Mirabel we labor in vain. At the end, you can't say na say na own problem. Not be own problem. Na you be the problem of your own world destiny. You are the problem of your world, your destiny. You need to change, amend that your way. Okay? You need to change. You need to change. Most men, you people need to change. You need to change and live a good life. I'm fine, happy, Azingbe. Good morning. You need to change. So I want those men to live a good life. I want those men. So I'll talk where men for the fuck up. I be man wey stand for truth. I am not biased. Rather to stand with the what? The truth. Today, I don't keep this topic say I am coming out to disgwagwa our men because many women don't too cry meet me. I don't too hear how can a man you get with the other one, you call the other one the insulter. You see the man, most men fuck up. Many men fuck up. They fuck up. They fuck up. Many men fuck up. You make the woman to be in pains. You know you not be carry out what? The responsibility while marrying what? A two wife when you are not what? Capable of marrying what? A two wife. You are the problem of yourself. You are the one disturbing what? Your destiny. You are the cause of your failure in life. Unless you discover, then you will recover. And when you recover, you will become a survivor. The moment you watch this program today, you will discover. All the women don't make like that. Share this program to those men. Share it to those men so that they will discover. Say what the pain he has been passing through is the cause of this pain. Now he has discovered he need to amend his way. Now he should carry out his responsibility as a man and not be biased. Don't take side with one woman when you know you have two women that get birth for you. Play the role. Make two of them to be good what? Condition. Let two of them what be what? In close relationship and live a happy life. And many men have brought problem to a lot of women, causing them what? Pains. Today, we have no talk show have come to lecture our men for them to amend their way because many men have become a lunatic to the society. Many men have become a nuisance to the society. Many men have become thereby making our women to become a single mother and they be jubilating. They neglected their wife and become a what? Make it fine boy. Nonsense. It's a nonsense. Arab nonsense. Today, our men wey no say in dey exhibit this character change before it's too late. Change before it's too late. Amend your way. We dey wash, we dey see. Most men we know them. We know them. We know them. You can't hide. We know you. All the pains you have caused to a lot of women. How you have humiliated a lot of women. And you are with another woman, you will cause pains on the other one. You pick the other one, come and make that woman insult the other man. What kind of man are you? A man, if you deal with another woman, don't let, if you want to, don't let the other one interfere, put. Don't let the other one talk, put, as a man. You tell Mama Sophia, no, anything with her, no concern Mama Jessica. Anything to tell Mama Jessica, no concern Mama Sophia. Make it work, clear, you know you are not capable. You now you engage yourself having more than one wife. You dig your grave. You have more than how many girlfriends, you dig your grave. Because you they always give the other one for say insult that one, you do it and you say you they condemn that one. Not be there be mumu, now you will be the man be mumu. You be Ozuo. Ewobi. Emabule. Now you be. Now you be. A man must stand as a man. A man must stand as a man. Some men go there with girlfriend and put their wife down, scandalize their wife. And say, hey, not mind that woman, idiot woman, it's not good. Which one are you there? Well, because you want to condemn your wife. Because you want to sleep the woman, condemn your wife. If you the friend get your girlfriend who you're there with you insult her, you tell her, are you mad? And there's woman say, don't ever insult. Are you stupid? You don't give us slap. You the mad. And the friend me say me and you the young insult my wife. And the mute your wife who find pass. Die. As a man, now the way you take counter, as you talk and give us slap. Are you mad? Don't ever throw word to my wife. And if I marry you, see your character. If I marry you, will destroy my own. Many men want to sleep with girlfriend, let the girlfriend insult their wife because they want you may help leg. But you don't know. Tomorrow eventually you get up, but you don't put that leg for another. And so it will cause problem for their own. I don't know that today. Our men gonna change. Make una 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 change. Una change. Because of side chick, you humiliate your wife. If you want marry, you make two of them know themselves. You don't do one, you say yes. I marry you, I must stand as our father. I marry you, I marry you. Yes. You don't marry two of them. Yes. No join one. No join beat cocoyam. No join cocoyam beat yam. They what? A good foundation down. So that tomorrow you will reap the fruit of your labor. But when the moment you become a nuisance, or you become a man with the lick bekus, because most men when they do this and they lick bekus. And if you go detail, go watch those men. We carry on that man children, put for picture, they neglect their own, they lick bekus. A man must not do such thing. The moment you carry the woman children, say put your own for Facebook. Put the thing. Make be say, yes, the woman where I married. Okay, you don't born. Okay, as you put the children, the one where you see, put them my lovely kiss. Not put only the one. You don't put your own children. You call yourself a man. You will be a man. to be a mabule, a nefiete, you know, oh, a mabule, a nefiete, you know, if you know you are not capable of having to what, do not involve yourself. It is when you are capable, then you can carry out the responsibility as a man. That makes you a man. What are the quality of your leadership? That is why today I give out with this expression to our men. Please, my beautiful sisters, share this to any man who have put you in pains. Share it to those men and let those men watch this program to see today it is for them. I know I did not come out from the other year to the fair or like I came out in the to talk show my page. Came out on my page today. I want to be coming out on my page now. I will be sharing that on fair lie. Okay. So I want to be coming out on my page, and if I come out to that one, crowd go full with FL like that's why I share it there. But I'll be coming out sometime on my page now, so that and I want you coming on my page, coming on my don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, cozy like that. I want you all, if you are my friends, I want all of you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. But most of the time, I want to be coming out on my YouTube channel too. So I want you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that then I want to be coming out in all these aspects so that I can give out this message to everybody. Always share the good news and pass this message to all the world. All these irresponsible men, all those men we carry brokers, we carry cassava. If you say, thank God na cassava, not be peniska. And those are they cut them. What's the cassava you go? You skimmer, then streamer. Not be penny. They not carry the cookies, you trim them. Or the women go trim your cassava at the end, you can't say, I don't know. All this, I don't give them this advice today. I want to share to this men, make a change today, not for men. So I don't give them phase 1, which is part 1 of this topic for the men. And that part is coming for these men. Today is for the men. And I'm still coming out. I still have another topic to disgwagwa those men that are irresponsible. So they know themselves. I know they go vex for me now. We had to talk show. Don't fire us. No. I said the truth. I want you to change. Always be proud of your kids. Don't be proud. You are living with a woman. You have a woman, 4 women. You are proud of one kiss. You neglected the other kiss. And you put the other woman, other kiss to you'll be celebrating with your kiss. What about the other kiss? Who is the father? Are you not the father? Or na could give the woman belly? No, be give her belly. No, you get the kiss. Nonsense. Alright, nonsense. And more bully people. When I change. Yes, me hear the talk show. Without no fear of favor, I speak the truth. Our men where they you make us change. Change and live a good life. So that we'll be proud of ourselves, of our women. Good morning, bless their best. Otabo. So my people, I love you all. Today is this I come to the end of the topic, and I want you all to share. Always share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Weirdo Talk Show Foundation YouTube channel. Please always subscribe to my YouTube channel. So do, God bless you all. Do not forget, this is me, the Kokobere Master Weirdo Talk Show, aka Kokobere Master at Single Mother Moms Marry. While I'm preaching this music, I want to see our women get married, the single mother get married, and live a good life. I want to see the joy of our women. I want to see smile in our women that are married. I want our men to live a good life with our women. I don't want our men to be putting our women in pains. Please, my people, I love you all. I remain the husband to all single mother, the Kokobere Master Weirdo Talk Show, or the ambassador of Biniko Show. Love you all. See you next time on my next program. Please do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Uyedo Talk Show Foundation YouTube channel. Always subscribe and always show my program as you do. God bless you, and celebration will not cease your own. Thank you very much, Precious Agidigbe. Thank you very much, Mercy Pius. I love everybody and I appreciate all my good advisor, especially I appreciate Ogomba. I know when the rough is tough and when it's with their people stood by, their people who give you advice, give you positive advice and then negative advice. That is why I really appreciate Ogomba. I appreciate him so much, and may God bless Ogomba too for his encouragement and his advice leading me to the success of today on my program. I really appreciate him. Please let me to appreciate him and help me to thank you, appreciate his good work and his advice towards Uyedo Talk Show, the ambassador of Benin Culture, the Kokobere Master, the husband to us single mother. Please, my beautiful sister, I need the best for you people. I want you to live a good life. When you are a single mother, do not what associate yourself with the word the bad single mother that belong to what the Kokobere Foundation Association. You that are be humiliated by a man, stand and live a good life, and God will send a good man for you, or your real man, that same man will return back to you. That is my prayer. So it will come back to you. So please, everybody, I beg you all. I love you all. I love you all. My message to remain for today: a man that is not capable of having to wife, who engage themselves marrying to wife, the irresponsible, thereby bringing problem, confusion into their home, digging their grave when they know they are not capable to carry out their responsibility to take care of the kids and the women. So thank you all. God bless you. I remain your humble servant, Uyedo Talk Show. Single mother must marry. I love you all. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.